In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot and solve some common issues you might encounter when using Wise for your money transfers. Wise is a fantastic tool for sending money internationally, but occasionally things can go wrong, and that's where this guide comes in handy. First, ensure that you're logged into your Wise account. This is crucial as it will allow you to access all the information you need to identify any possible mistakes. Once you're in, begin by checking if there's a missing reference number. The reference number is vital for tracking your transactions, and without it, your transfer might have trouble being processed correctly. If you find it's missing, you'll want to ensure it's included immediately or contact the recipient to confirm they received the transaction correctly. Next, verify that you've decided on the correct transfer amount. It's easy to make a mistake here, especially if you're dealing with multiple currencies or large sums. Double-checking the amount not only helps in avoiding transaction errors, but also ensures you're sending the exact amount you intended. Now, let's look at the possibility of a delayed transfer due to a public holiday. Public holidays can impact banking operations, causing delays in processing your transfer. Check the calendar to see if any public holidays could be affecting your transaction and adjust your timing accordingly if that's the case. Another common issue could be a mismatch between your name on your bank account and your Wise account. These details need to align perfectly to avoid discrepancies that could halt or complicate your transfer. If you discover any differences, amend them to reflect the same information in both places to keep transactions smooth and error-free. You should also make sure that the bank details you entered for Wise are correct. Mistakes in bank details can result in failed transactions or, worse, sending your money to the wrong account. Compare the bank details you have entered against the details provided by the recipient and make any necessary corrections. If you've set up multiple transfers, it's important to review these carefully. Having several transfers set up simultaneously might lead to confusion or mismanagement, so keep a clear record and make sure each transaction is executed correctly. Should you find that you've already checked all these potential pitfalls but continue to experience problems, it's time to double-check everything one more time. A fresh review often helps catch overlooked errors that may have caused the issue in the first place. Finally, if after all these checks the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise's customer support. The team is well equipped to assist with any ongoing issues and can offer guidance to resolve them effectively. Remember, reaching out for help isn't a last resort, but a step towards making sure your transactions are as seamless as possible. This proactive approach will ensure you can enjoy the benefits of Wise with minimal disruptions.